there! Are you a busy professional or just busy? You got apps for your task list, calendar, finance, fitness, you name it. But here is the kicker. While you're juggling all these apps, there's one crucial area you might be neglecting: protecting your home assets and staying organized for those unexpected insurance claims. Introducing Everspruce Home Inventory app, your missing piece in the digital puzzle. Today, we're diving deep into digital home organization for busy professionals or anyone living a busy life, because let's face it, your peace of mind is priceless. As busy professionals, we face a multitude of challenges every day, from managing countless projects to drowning in a sea of emails, deadlines, and trying to stay healthy and spend time with family and friends. It's easy to feel overwhelmed. But don't worry, because there are practical strategies to help you conquer the chaos. Let's dive into how Everspruce Home Inventory app can revolutionize your digital organization. Firstly, utilize our app to create a comprehensive inventory of your belongings. Simply snap a photo and input the details of your items, from electronics to furniture. This not only helps in keeping track of your possessions, but also comes in handy for insurance claims in case of emergencies. Organize your inventory into categories using the tags feature, making it easy to locate items when you need them. Whether it's finding important heirlooms or locating your favorite gadget, our app ensures you know where everything is. And Everspruce Custom Fields allows you to control how much detail you want to include in each entry. With the multiple user feature, collaborate with family members or colleagues by sharing access to your inventory. This fosters teamwork and ensures everyone is on the same page when it comes to managing shared belongings or projects. As you can see, the Everspruce Home Inventory app isn't just another tool, it's a game changer for anyone leading a busy life. Feel the tranquility of an organized existence, empowering you to concentrate on what truly matters. To sum it up, digital organization isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity in today's world. Remember to create a digital home inventory for maximum efficiency and peace of mind. Now it's your turn. Share your digital organization tips in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more productivity-related content. Together, let's conquer the chaos and thrive in a digital age. Happy organizing!